Hi there, this is a brief overview video highlighting how to create a new schedule and how to edit a schedule you have already created. So from your settings here, navigate to schedules and you'll see the option to create a new schedule. So you can click either of these buttons to choose new schedule. First, you'll give it a name. Let's call this one our main practice hours. Then you'll choose your time zone. I'm in the Eastern time zone. And then you'll set your business hours. So these are the hours your business is open. So defaults are Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. If let's say yours was Monday through Friday, 9 to 4:30, you could adjust that like this. And then you will scroll a bit further down and you'll see after hours is automatically applied. Everything outside of your business hours will be treated as after hours. This is a really important concept. You do not need to create two schedules, one for business hours and one for after hours. You only need to create one for when your business is open, and then everything outside of those hours will be considered automatically as after hours in other parts of the app when you're applying them to phone trees or auto replies or anything like that. So you don't need to create two, one for each. You can also add a recurring exception. This is most commonly used for, um, let's say, lunch. So let's go ahead and create an exception called lunch. And you'll see if we select Monday through Friday, because those are the days we're open, you'll see it's automatically applying 12 to 1, common lunch hours. You can obviously change that if you need. But what this says is our business is always open 9 to 4:30 Monday through Friday, except for 12 to 1 when we have lunch, and then everything outside of all of those hours will be considered and referenced as after hours. So we'll go ahead and save that schedule. Now we see that this schedule exists, but it's not currently in use. If we wanted to apply it somewhere, let's say to an auto reply, we could head over to auto replies and create a new one. Let's say this is an after hours reply. We'll go ahead and manage this with the schedule, and we'll choose the schedule we just created, main practice hours. And we're going to say this is active during our after hours period, again, like I mentioned, outside of 9 to 4:30, and during lunch, 12 to 1, Monday through Friday. That is when this will be on and active. We can choose our triggers like we're familiar with, and our message. And we'll just say that, and then we'll press create. Now we see that it's updating the status, and it will update automatically soon to show whether it's on or off. We see it's off until 4:30 because we're currently open. You can see the schedule periods that it's currently active for, as well as all the other info about the auto reply. But if we jump back to schedules, we'll see it's currently in use on after hours, on the after hours auto reply. If we wanted to edit these hours and say, you know what, these hours are going to change our business, we're actually extending it, we're going to work harder and extend those hours all the way to 5 p.m. So we can make this change like so and say our business is actually open until 5 p.m. instead of 4:30. Press save, and it will update here, and then it will update on our after hours auto reply, basically saying that the after hours auto reply won't start until now you see it says 5 p.m. instead of where it previously said 4:30. That's all. Thanks for watching.